Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shannon Glam, and today we're gonna do samples only makeup challenge. So without any further ado, make sure you subscribe to my channel, click the like button if you want to see more makeup challenges. Let's get right into the video.
It's getting sharp, there's something greater than ourselves we must reach for.
We're gonna go in with the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Primer. I like this stuff. Oh my gosh. This is what my thirsty little skin needs for the winter. I've actually been using this sample that's from Nordstrom. This is the Tom Ford Illuminating Primer Base. This Tom Ford is extra expensive, so this little sample is like $1,000. Okay. I have Bare Minerals foundation. I have a Sheer Glow foundation. I tried it on the other day in Sephora and I really liked it, but there's like nothing in here. See, look at these Bare Mineral ones. They have a lot more. So if you're trying to do your makeup and you need some samples, get the Bare Mineral samples for the foundation. I guess I'll try it. Oh, this is a lot. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be enough. The only thing is that I don't know if it's my shade. Yeah, it's not my shade. But that's fine because we'll correct it with the contouring. We're just gonna cheat a little bit. We're gonna go in with the Maybelline concealer. I'm just gonna go in with this cute hazelnut. Kind of glue, but I need you to unglue so I can open you. But I'm just gonna put like a little bit on the tip, and I'm gonna use it as a contour color. Do we look snatched or not? All right, so I guess I could do this to contour my nose. Wow, why didn't I see this before? This is a cute color. I use this better, my Real Techniques one. It's so weird, like using stuff that you never use and then using like so little of it. So you just think that, oh my gosh, I'm not gonna have enough. So then you put more, but then you have too much and it's just disaster. Okay, before I forget, I have to set this concealer. This is the Kat Von D Translucent Lock-It Setting Powder. This is Mesmerizing Mineral Duo Orchid Ornament. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys so you guys can see. It's one color. It's right here. See, it's like the shimmery part right here. Oh, this color is nice. Okay. This is so cute. This blends perfectly with the ColourPop color. And then I'm just gonna go in a little bit lighter on the top. Since I don't have a lot of colors to work with, I'll just put a little bit more pressure on the areas that I want it to be a little bit darker, and then the areas that I want it to be a little lighter, I just put less pressure. I like this color. I'm such a sucker for purples though. Little Nordstrom sample. These colors are super nice. These MAC, look at that. Oh, can you see it? Ah! We'll take this brush here, which is flat. Just. Look at that, that looks so cute. That's the MAC sample. The MAC Daddy sample. There's actually something that's super important here. Like every makeup person's hands, like especially when you leave Sephora or when you're doing your makeup, your hands have a whole bunch of makeup on them. It's just a hot mess. This was also a sample from Nordstrom. So, oh, it's kind of dry. But it will work, it will work, it will work. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You know the little Puerto Rican candies called besitos, which is kisses? Little besitos that are of coconut? That's exactly what this smells like. The Lime Crime Diamond Crushers in the color Lit for the inner eye area. We're gonna go in with this Dior Triple Volume Plumping Lash Primer. Look at this packaging. This is so cute. For a sample, this is really nice. It comes like this. This is so nice. Okay, this smells like glue. Giorgio Armani Black Ecstasy. And it came in this cute little sample paper. My eyebrows are so stiff because of that primer. Laura Mercier shampoo, which is like the sample I've been dying to use. We have Ruthless, Boss, Dominate, Fresh, Fab, Queen, Fatal, and Goals. And I want it to look precise, so we're gonna go in with a brush. Oh, it's so cute. Now we're gonna go in with Lime Crime Lit. just to create a little bit of a glossy look right in the middle. Ooh. That looks so cute. To finish off this look, we're gonna go in with our Too Faced Baby as a setting spray. I love this look. I literally would have never did this look if it wasn't for this challenge. My BFF just told me you need to do the samples only makeup challenge. I'm like, all right, but I don't have anything. So basically he hooked it up. So shout out to you, boo, Tony, love you. Well, thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And of course, subscribe to my channel. You click that little bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload a new video. And today, something new that I'm gonna start doing is I'm gonna give a notification shout out, which is basically someone who has subscribed to my channel. Click the bell so they can be notified every time I upload a video. Today's post notification shout out goes to Milady. Thank you so much, Milady, for watching my videos. If you guys want to be on the next shout out, all you have to do, subscribe to my channel, click on the notifications, and just comment down below and say all done. Love you guys. Until next time, bye. Ah, all this hair. Bye. Before I leave, you like my shirt? Ooh, what? I see my tummy.